section-specific amendments in criminal laws. Committees like Benjurah Committee, Viswanathan Committee, Malimat Committee, Madhava Menon Committee made recommendations for section-specific amendments in criminal laws and general laws in criminal justice system. The department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs in 146th Report 2010 has recommended that there is a need for a comprehensive review of criminal justice system of the country. Earlier, Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs in 111th Report 2005 and 128th Report 2006 had also stressed upon the need to reform and rationalize the criminal laws of the country by introducing a comprehensive legislation in the Parliament rather than bringing about piecemeal amendments in the criminal laws. On 7/9/2019, Honorable Home Minister wrote letters to all governors, chief ministers, lieutenant governors, administrators of states and union territories requesting them to send their suggestions on comprehensive amendments to the criminal laws. On 6/1/2020 and 9/1/2020, suggestions were also sought from the Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of all High Courts, Bar Council and law universities and institutions. On 31/12/2021, he also requested Honorable Member of Parliament, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, to give their suggestions in this regard. A committee was also constituted under the chairmanship of the Vice Chancellor, National Law University, Delhi, on 2/3/2020 to examine and suggest reforms in the criminal laws. The committee invited suggestions from various quarters, including public, and considered suggestions from high courts, experts, research centers, academicians, lawyers, civil societies, law university, etc. from across the country. The suggestions from 18 states, 6 union territories, the Supreme Court, 16 high courts, 5 judicial academics, 22 law universities and 42 members of parliament were also forwarded to the committee. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), Intelligence Bureau (IB), and the Bureaus of Police Research and Development, Central Police Organization, and more than 1,000 police officers from various states also submitted their suggestions. The committee, under chairmanship of Vice Chancellor of NLU Delhi, after extensive consultation with stakeholders and in-depth research, submitted its report in February 2022 containing its recommendations. The Ministry of Home Affairs considered all suggestions received from various stakeholders. After detailed examination of all these suggestions, received 3 bills, namely Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023,